This I glued together in a block like that, and I did put some veneer in between it because I thought it'd give it accent and look good, but quite frankly, yeah, so the veneer you can't see it, so I'm going to go on a tangent and do something slightly different. And I made it too short, but I've overcome that by doing something else. And I've cut it a bit like a mosaic puzzle, so I now have to put it back together. A lot of these glue up things, unfortunately, we can't do in one hit because it takes a day for the glue to dry. That's got to be an end piece, so we're narrowing it down, and that one can go there. All right, so I've cut this just all higgledy-pickledy on the bandsaw. I didn't have the right blade in, so I just sort of made do with the best I could. And what I'm going to do is, I've got some white veneer. I'm going to cut that and put it in here, and then we'll re-glue it. Now trim that down, the piece you saw me glue up, and I've dressed it so you can see the veneers in it, but it's a little bit too short for the size rolling pin that I wanted to do. So what I've decided to do is I'm going to stick in some extra dowels on the end to make the handles. First things first, pop this in the lathe, and with a Forstner bit I'm going to drill down there about 50mm on each side, then turn some handles, glue them in. When that's dry, then turn the rolling pin in one go. Let's go to the lathe. And the same on this end. Check the internal diameter. Just turn these down to suit. And then we're in business. Good fit that side. Good fit that side. Cut this in half. A good squeeze down. Same on the other side. I'll just put that in a clamp, and I'll leave that for 24 hours in the clamp to make sure it's really dry before we start actually shaping the rolling pin.